Hi guys, I want to talk to you today about Windows 10, Office 365, and the single sign-on experience. If you've read my blog, you'll notice that I've written two blog items on Windows 10 and the Office 365 single sign-on experience. My first attempt at it wasn't very successful. I actually had to call support and talk a little bit about, explain to them what I was looking for. But if you read through my blog at 365unity.com, it will guide you through how to set it up. What I'd like to do today is just show you what the look and feel is like. So basically, um, if you the first thing you're going to do to join your computer to the Office 365 domain is you're going to go into Azure, which is portal.azure.com. Since I'm already on Office 365 and my computer's on, you'll see that the single sign-on experience works in Azure as well. So if I go to Browse and I go to Active Directory, and once it loads, you'll notice that there's a little setting we need to turn on to allow computers to connect to Azure Azure Active Directory. And that would be under Configure. So under Configure, you'll notice that we can go down a little bit and go to Devices. And here we can change what kind of devices we want to add, or what. So basically, we can say that users cannot join devices to your tenant. Selected devices, and then you can go into selected or all devices, which just means that any Windows 10 device that a user has, they can join to Office 365. So we're set up as all, so great. The next step would be to go into here and click on Join. You'll get the rename your PC or join the domain wizard. And once that comes up, you'll notice that I'm already connected to the organization 365unity.org. From here I could disconnect or I could rename my PC. You'll notice that this is a little bit different from the old way of doing it. You used to go to Computer and right click, go to Properties, and then you go and add your computer, either go to a domain or a workgroup. Right now we're just on a workgroup, so this is a little bit of a different method. But once you're joined up to an Office 365 domain, you'll have this profile, which is your email address. Mine is Brian at 365unity.com. Once I log into that, first thing you'll notice when you click on the Start button is your mail program will be already configured for you. So if you click on Mail, you'll notice that everything is already configured for you. So great. If you click on Outlook, Outlook will auto-configure for you too. So the first thing you need to do to get the single sign-on experience, though, is go into Internet Options and go into Security and Trusted Sites and add all of Microsoft.com, all of Office.com, and I added login.microsoftonline.com to my trusted sites. This will allow you to pass your credentials from your computer into an Office, into a browser, and allow you to log in automatically to Office 365. So you'll notice now if I go into Edge with those settings already set up, and if I ask for a website, for example, if I want to go to the portal.office.com, it'll log me in automatically, so I don't have to provide credentials. Whereas if I go to Chrome, for example, and go to portal.office.com, it'll ask me for my credentials because single sign-on only works through Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. So if I minimize this, we'll have the same experience. So if I go to Office.outlook or outlook.office.com, it'll automatically log me into my Outlook client. And the same thing as I showed you if we go to portal.azure.com. It'll automatically log me into my Azure portal. So this is basically the single sign-on experience through Windows 10. It's really awesome. It saves a lot of time, and it's extremely handy to have. I hope you found this web presentation useful. Please, if you want more information, go to my blogs. I do have the Windows 10 and Office 365 experience posted. The second impression actually goes into more detail and shows you the successes that I've had with Office 365 and the whole experience that we had through it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.